personal guard to King Xerxes himself, the Persian warrior elite. The deadliest fighting force in all of Asia. The Immortals.
Hello guys, what's up? Immortal Trader here. I've been away since last year. Happy New Year, and now I'm back. I'm back. Okay, let us look at the market. Real quick one. I don't want to make this video so long, I've been away, so I might just start talking too much, and some of the things might actually not make sense. So let's get into it. This is a US30 4-hour chart. I've just zoomed out a bit, and I see there is this up and down shenanigan that's happening. If the market sentiment continues to be the same in January, we might just still be bouncing off this upper trend line and bottom trend line, and continue until a break of certain areas where the buyers are in control, the sellers are in control. Then we might actually get a good move up, a good trend line, a good trend. Sorry. If we break down, there are certain levels that uh, buyers shouldn't lose, and I think this level and this level. So if we break down, probably this level will hold, then we'll go back up and continuing in the shenanigan. And remember, guys, I'm not here to predict what will happen next week, next month. I'm just looking for the type of setups that I look forward to trading, the things that I'm looking forward to seeing. If the market behaves in the right way, then I'll enter according to my rules. So I am not saying that's what will happen. I am just saying if the market does this, I am likely going to do this. But if it doesn't, because the market does whatever it wants, then I'll just sit. I won't do anything. So this is what I am anticipating. Probably will be moving up and down, because there seems to be confidence from the buyers, and something as well. The sellers are also coming in very quick. So let's just zoom in a bit, and this is what we saw last week. Yeah, I expect this same up and down to continue on the US30. I don't see, unless if we break certain levels, bottom level and certain, and the above level. Let us look at the NASDAQ here. Same shenanigan, up and down, up and down, up and down. And keep in mind, guys, I think we haven't seen this type of movement in. You see, the bulls come in so strong, the bears come in so strong. I haven't no particular pattern that I can link it with. Okay, so it's kind of strange the way the market is behaving right now. I think it's just the market conditions and the market sentiment right now. So we are bouncing off the 200 move, the 100 moving average, and here we did as well, showing some type of rejection. So this is a zone that I think the buyers shouldn't lose, and the market seems to be recovering a bit early. It seems like the trend line is holding, very shaky, but there's a lot of confidence coming in. You see, like when the sellers try to push it down, there's rejection again, there's rejection. Um, so this is an area where the buyers shouldn't lose, and I think the sellers shouldn't lose this first one right here, and this one right here, this area just right here. I think something like that. I think they shouldn't lose that. So it will be like up and down, up and down, up and down. Whoever loses a certain area, a break, wait for a retest. It might just be a fake break. So you can just wait for a break, a retest, then I look for my signals there, and then I go along. That's how I trade it. So I wait for a break, a retest, and I go along. If the buyers lose this area, I think the next level that would hold should be this one right here. We saw some reaction coming from this level right here. So it seems like there are some buyers somewhere here. So If the market comes and breaks this level and retests it and continues to go down, probably this level, then we'll just be going back and forth. It will just be something that goes down this area, back up, down again, probably respecting this expanding triangle. Yeah, so I'm just looking forward to seeing the buyers coming in, this area being tested, pushed down to this level, some signs of rejection, engulfing candles. If I see my signals, then I'll go along targeting that area as well. So I want to break out that will test this area, then push back down as well. So I think there's really nothing happening right now. It's just quite strange the way the market is moving. Um, then this is what I am saying. This is what I'm anticipating. So we have the same situation here. Buyers seem to come in whenever price bounces off this trend line. So this trend line seems to be holding. I expect a break of this level, then a retest, then I'll go long. Probably I'll target the top part or just this range here. If the where can the sellers come in? I think sellers can come in if we break this level. Probably will go down to this level. When it comes to German 40, the same thing as well. A break, a retest, then I'll go along to this area. There's not much room, compared to like the US 500, where there's a break, there's a retest, then you can go along, and probably the US 30, the US 100, sorry, the NASDAQ, where there's a break, then there's a retest, and then go along to this area. If compared to the CAC 40, and this is what we see. There's this upper band right here, and price has been bouncing and respecting it, and we might just respect it again, then go along, respect it again, go along. But it just depends on the market condition. So if we break, I'll be looking for this level to hold, then go long back up to the upper band. Then I'll just hold it and throw my stop loss. If we fail to hold this level, there's a break. I'll be looking to go along just on this lower trend line here and target the upper band. Same with the Swiss 20. Price is bouncing off the trend line. Price is bouncing off the trend line. If this is actually a nice setup, this is the type of setups that I look forward to. So if I see any of my signals here, I'll be going long, targeting probably the upper band there, and that's what I'll be looking forward to seeing. Yeah, probably lower than that, not really exactly, probably somewhere here, and I'll be out. So actually, the Swiss 20 gives me a very good setup compared to the other indices. So I'll be looking forward to seeing my signals. I bet you have your own entry signals. Then this is a nice pullback for me, and then I'll go along. So my signals are usually long wicks and engulfing candles, and some other type of patterns. Yeah, so if I see those, especially on a lower time frame, then I'll be going long, targeting that area. Gold is in a range triangle. If it breaks up, I'll be looking for a retest of probably this area right here, then probably a break, a retest, and then go along. I am not planning on shorting gold. I'll be interested if I see a failed breakout here. Then I can short it to that area right here. I'm not really good at trading gold. I'm still looking into it. So far, this is what I am looking forward to seeing in the market. If we, if I don't see this, I'm sitting on my hands. And thank you very much. Like, subscribe, share, comment down what you think, and what you think I can work on and improve.